guys, so today I'm meeting up with Naomi. Naomi is my winner from my day 5 of my 5 days of glam giveaways. So we are meeting up right now at Sephora. We're gonna go to a Sephora at the Grove and we're gonna do a little bit of makeup shopping, hang out, have a little girls day. I'm so excited because we've been messaging for the last month trying to figure out a day to make it work, and she just is so cool. Like, she just seems like so cool, and I'm just so excited to hang out with her and spend time with her. And this is the first time I've ever done anything like this where I'm like meeting up with one of you guys one-on-one. So I figured I would take you guys along with me. I asked her if it was okay if we vlog and she was like, yes. So I'm gonna vlog the experience. Stuck in LA traffic, go figure, but we will be there soon to meet up and hug and go makeup shopping.
Are you excited or what, babe?
Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm nervous and I'm excited.
Why are you nervous?
I mean, you know, I'm always like at home, never get to meet you guys, so I'm just like, it's like an excited nervous, you know, like you don't know what to expect. Even like when I do meet and greets, I get nervous, but then I like, it's like butterflies. I'm super excited. She said she's wearing a maroon shirt. So nice to I feel like I know you even though we've only
I know, like we have this for you. I know it's not a lot, but no, I seriously, no, I don't want you to have this. This is like, it's not a lot, but
I'm so excited. Yeah. Maybe towel? Yeah. So what is your favorite brand? Or one of your favorite brands?
have a favorite brand, like
We love it all. Okay guys, Naomi.
I'm Naomi.
We just got Sephora. We almost got kicked out of Sephora. Not really, but we couldn't vlog in there. So apparently their new thing is you're not allowed to vlog in there.
Which is crazy.
So we got some.
I got a lot of stuff. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Yay! I got a lot of skincare too.
I got her. Okay, so she put this on her hand. I was like, her skin was glowing.
Let me show you guys. Can you guys see that a little bit?
It's just her skin looked so good.
Yeah.
And felt so good.
I can't wait to
got
try.
her on my other favorite, the first Solly.
Where's
elixir.
it? It's here. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got the Fenty with the lipstick.
That
oh my gosh, I
red.
can't wait to try it. And Hourglass foundation. And oh my gosh, guys, she got the gift card.
So I got her gift card just because they didn't have everything that she wanted. They were like out of stock of everything.
Seriously.
So
a lot of my shades were gone. I got the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder, and then I got the Huda Beauty foundation. What did I say foundation?
oh, this is Huda Beauty.
What did I say foundation?
A little eyeshadow palette.
Eyeshadow palette, and then wait. Oh, okay. So this one.
Oh,
And then I got this clay. I can't wait to
for
try it.
pimples. I was telling her the story that they told me there, and we actually tried it like 2 weeks ago, and all my pimples were like gone. It's really, really good.
I can't wait to try it.
They got a bunch of little titties.
I need to give you a hug. You're so sweet.
So
She's
glad
the
that you
sweetest,
did.
and she's so pretty. Like,
No way.
look at that face. She's so pretty. We had so much fun. We talked a lot, and yeah, we're trying to get some. Yeah.
Let's eat.
We're gonna get some food in the farmer's market because we have not eaten yet.
What did you
What
get?
do we get, babe?
You tell us.
We got Brazilian food. We got guaraná, picanha,
Alcatra.
yuca, plantains.
What did I get? Rice,
Meatballs.
meatballs,
So that
potato salad.
potato salad. And Guaraná?
How do you say it?
Guaraná. It kind of
I've never
like
had
tastes a little bit of like ginger ale, but not really. There's not ginger in there. And I got.
wait to try it.
Yeah, you're gonna like it. Let's kill this. Like it?
I love Brazilian food. So now that our bellies are full,
So
we
cool.
ate.
Oh my gosh. We ate so much.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I did. I'm having so much fun. You're like the best buddy.
We're like best friends now,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Seriously.
We're in the fresh store. We're gonna join their fresh vlog. Super cute. Yeah. So our day is coming to an end.
I know, I had so much fun.
I had so much fun. Thank you for coming.
I know, this is just an amazing experience. I'm so excited.
We smell like all kinds of skincares
Yeah.
and perfumes that we sprayed and got a lot of samples. Yeah, we're gonna go to church together this Sunday. So I'm just getting home. It was an amazing day. Naomi was so sweet and so nice, and I just felt like I was hanging out with a friend. Like I felt like I had known her forever, and it was so awesome to hear her story and get to know her. And she's from Nigeria, and her journey here. It's crazy how you can meet someone who has completely different struggles and a completely different journey than you, but you still relate, and you can still relate that to journeys and struggles you've had in your life. And it's so crazy because she told me that she's had dreams where we're friends and we hang out, and she said that like last fall she would always dream that we were hanging out, and that she almost didn't even enter the giveaway because she was like, you have so many followers, I didn't even think I had a chance, and then she won. And you know, I feel like it's a testament to your dreams. Never think that your dreams are too big. And not saying meeting me is a dream, like not saying that at all, but just saying like things you never think that you're gonna accomplish, you can accomplish. And even if you're nervous or you don't think you have a chance at something, do it anyways. Like, what do you have to lose? No one's holding you back except for yourself. She has a beautiful soul, and I really hope that she enjoys all of the makeup. And I know it's just a little tiny thing, but I hope that it makes her happy and it makes her smile, because no matter what you're going through, if you're like me, makeup is an escape, and makeup just helps you forget about your problems for a little while. Like, that's why I started makeup, because I loved the way I could express myself through makeup and how it made me feel, and it made me feel beautiful, and it made me feel powerful, and it challenged me, and it allowed me to express myself in a different way. And whenever I would sit down in my college dorm room and do my makeup, it was like I got to forget about all of the craziness in my life for a little while. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, switching it up on my channel. My challenge for you guys in this video is to comment down below your favorite inspirational or feel-good quote. I want to know. Let's make the comment section like so beautiful and so positive. Also, I never told you guys my makeup details, so I just did the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation today, which you guys know I have been loving. This light is not going to do my highlight justice. Do I have my phone? Let's see. Today I used Trophy Wife from Fenty, and I mixed a little bit of Hustla Baby as well. On my lips, I'm wearing Kat Von D Bow and Arrow. Shocker. I feel like my daily struggle is, what lipstick am I gonna wear? And then I don't know, so I just go with Bow and Arrow. It's probably worn off. I haven't applied it since this morning, and I ate lunch and everything, so who knows. My lashes are, what are my lashes? Cocoa Goddess lashes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and to hit subscribe to join my A-team. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.